The following corporate bonds are considered for investment by the portfolio manager. His aim is to immunize. The concept of immunization comes once again. The liability due in 6 years. Now I hope that you have understood that the 6 years is very important. We should make sure that the duration of our portfolio should be exactly 6 years. All the bonds have face value of 1000 rupees. A, B, C, 3 securities are there. Maturity information is given, coupon rate information is given, and duration information is given. If the portfolio manager wishes to invest 50% in security A, what is the percentage of the total amount that can be invested in the other 2 bonds to immunize the portfolio? That is the question. Try to calculate answer of the question on your own. Friends, over here you can see that the information is provided to us regarding an investor who wants to immunize his liability due in 6 years, and he has decided to make investment in these 3 securities. The information about the maturity is irrelevant. The information about the coupon rate is irrelevant. The information about the duration is only relevant over here. So we understand like this. Calculation of proportion in which investment to be made in security B and C. We understand it is security A, security B, and security C. What is the weight of proportion? This is 0.5 as provided to us in the question. We know that the total is obviously going to be 1. So for the other 2 securities, the total proportion that we will have is 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5. Let me assign a variable WB for security B. For this too, the total is 0.5. I am assigning over here the variable WB as the weight of B security. So the weight of C security will be automatically 0.5 minus WB multiplied with the respective duration. Now what is the duration? Let us see. 7.35, 6.15 and 4.30. 7.35, 6.15 and 4.30. So what we will do, friends, it is weight into duration. So 0.5 into 7.35, that comes to 3.675. Then 6.15 WB. Then 4.3 into 0.5, that is 2.15 minus 4.30 WB. The overall duration of the portfolio should be 6 years. So like that, the WB will be found as balancing figure, and then 0.5 minus weight of B will give the weight of C. Please write an answer now. It is 3.675 plus 6.15 weight of B plus 2.15 minus 4.30 WB, and the total duration of the portfolio is 6 years. So 6.15 minus 4.30, that comes to 1.85 B. 6 minus 3.675 minus 2.15. So 6 minus 3.675 minus 2.15. So 0.1750 whole divided by 1.85. So 0.0946. So 9.46% of the funds should be invested in B. WC is 0.5 minus 0.0946. 0.4054. So that is the investment should be made in security C.